how to do ask me questions on story on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do ask me questions on your story on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your story, and now click on camera. Now there is two ways to find ask me a questions. The first one, click on the A text create and scroll over, and you're gonna find ask a questions, or like this one, and this is the first way. The second way to do ask me a questions, and click on your story, and for example take a photo, and all you need to do is click on the sticker icon and click on questions, and this is it. So this is it, and click on your story and you're gonna post this story. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.